FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Alright, so today I'm making Fergie's triple C. I'm going to call it my triple C. And my triple C is loaded with nutrients, with everything that's great for your body. I'm telling you, if you drink this juice regularly, it stops you from going to the doctor. Literally. Anyway, check out my ingredients for today. I'm back with CALLALOO. You already know all the health benefits for CALLALOO because I teach you guys and I know you learned well. You know, it's a lot of circulation, nutrients, protein, fibers, weight loss, you name it. And I have my CALLALOO here in some salt water, soaking. So I'm just gonna rinse it one more time before juicing. And then back to my Choyote. This is Chocho. They call it Choyote. And you also know a lot about, I teach you well about Chocho. Chocho is loaded with a lot of, it's good for your digestive system. It's also good for your liver and prostate cancer. It controls blood sugar and a whole lot more. Pregnancy, all right. And you go now to cucumber. So you see CCC. And cucumbers, everybody knows. Crazy health benefit with cucumbers. Your skin, your lungs, your immune system, vision. Loaded with antioxidants. So these are my triple C for today for my juice. And I'm just gonna add some lime and lemon and ginger. And this is my monk fruit sweetener. This is a sweetener that has zero calories. It's good for diabetic people. And monk fruit, the fruit that it's from part China and part Thailand. And I like using it because, as you see, it has zero glycerin. It's 0 calorie and it's keto friendly diet. So this I'm gonna use, and you use less of it than what you use with your regular sugar. So these are my ingredients for today. Your triple C. So I'm gonna get everything washed and ready for juicing. All right. See you guys when I come back. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, when cutting your chocho, your chayote, you the juice from it, when you touch it, it feels a little bit stainy. That juice, it actually numbs your hand. It's a natural form of anesthetic. So, but while you wash your hand, you'll get rid of it. So it's always good to use the gloves when you're cutting up your chocho. Remember, you have to clean up your CALLALOO. You take off all the dead leaves. I show you how to do that already from my past video when I make my CALLALOO. So guys, I'm about to add my sweetener to it. It was like half away here and I'm just using extra water. You could use your blender for this, but when you blend it, you would have to strain it. So that's 1 spoon. And remember to sweeten to your taste. And this is more like stevia sweetener, but with a lot of health benefits. 2 cookspoons of my monk fruit sweetener. You could put more lemon in it or lime to make it a little bit more tangy. Just adjust your sweetener to your taste. And I'll see you when I'm finished. So my FK gang, here is my signature drink, my triple C, Fergie's triple C. And when you're drinking this, think about all the chlorophyll that comes from the CALLALOO that's in it. It boosts your immunity, encourages faster wound healing. It aids in your digestive system, reduces inflammation. It aids in detoxification, reduces skin cancer. It acts on as an internal deodorant. So you know what that means? It freshens your breath. People that have bad breath, my juice takes that out. It freshens it out. And it is loaded with vitamin A, C, E, and K. So guys, drink Fergie's juice. And as you know, I like to end with the scripture of the day and something to meditate on. Today's scripture is coming from Psalms 147, verse 3. He heals the broken heart and binds up their wounds. So today, if you're feeling down or if you're heartbroken, just look to God. He's the healer of all broken hearts, all right? And he heals all the wounds that is caused by what's going on in the world today. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys, just keep the faith. The most amazing things happen in life right at the moment you're about to give up. All right, thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone about all the good things and all the bad things that happen in Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.